So we have some garden updates. I'm sorry, it's kind of cold out, so if I make this fast, you know why. There's some kale that we got, and I've been eating it. And we have a few different duplicates of stuff because we got them at like different places. But this happens to be cilantro. No, it's not cilantro. It's flat leaf parsley. It tells you how much I know. This is Swiss chard. This one's gotta wake up. Wake up! Or we need to steak it. I can't wait to eat this. And these dragon guys, dragon breath, I told Daniel to replot in that thing over there with the butterfly thing. And then we'll move it in front of our window near where he planted that little tree. This is mint that came with the house. This is my Greek oregano, which I haven't used yet, but it's beautiful. Then we have this sweet basil, which I don't know. I'm not crazy about the way it looks, but I'm trying. This is supposed to be the dwarf sunflowers. Feels like it needs to be watered. It hasn't grown yet. This came with the house, I think. This is an old basil from last summer, which I don't know, I'm not crazy about the way this one looks either, but Daniel and I tried replanting it. This isn't doing too good. This Daniel planted, it looks beautiful. This is something he replanted, it needs some love. And that's the tree that he planted in front of our bedroom. That's our bedroom. And he made rows of peppers and things. Peppers, tomatoes, I forget what else. Jalapeno peppers. And he got me another kale. What the hell happened here? Who's trying to eat my kale? Stupid rabbits. I'm just kidding, they're not stupid. Like, the way that looked. I don't know. I feel like the kale in the planter is doing better than the kale out here, but oops, sorry, I'm taking this. Some of these don't look too good to me. Whatever they are, I'll have to ask Daniel. These strawberries are starting to make a comeback. There's a little bit of strawberries growing here. Then, oh, it's nice in here when the sun is hitting. There's my aloes, which are making a comeback. Finally, this is the other strawberry plant where there's some strawberries are growing. This one started out looking better. What happened to you? What happened to you? Ew. Yeah, there's some strawberries in here. I'm hoping these are better than the grocery store strawberries because the grocery store strawberries aren't very good. Lately, I don't know. Sometimes they're good, and a lot of times they're not good. Yeah, I literally rip the leaves off when they're damaged. When they look like they were damaged by either nature or an animal. And these are sweet peppers, supposedly. One of them looked like it was growing when we first bought this, and I'm not sure. Yeah, there's a few little guys starting to grow. It's supposed to be sweet red peppers. And then this is my salad I got from Home Depot, which is delicious. It's starting to grow again. I was trying not to take too much of it because Daniel said if you pull out too much, it affects the growth. So I might pull this one out, throw away. Yeah. So yeah, but the green looks very good. Then we have cilantro here. There's another cilantro over there to the right of me. Or there was. There was? Maybe not. No, that was the parsley. So this is cilantro. The parsley looks like cilantro. That's what it is. This one needs to stand up. It needs water. It's very dry. The sweet mint. This looks pretty good too. Just like, the Greek oregano. The Greek oregano is freaking delicious. I don't know what I'm going to use it with, but I got to use it. These are bell orange peppers, sweet peppers. I think the red ones are supposed to be spicy. I thought they were. I mean, not spicy, sweet. And they're starting to bloom. Peppers last summer took a while to grow, and I don't know if it's because we had such a bad drought or what. But these are doing pretty good. In the sunspots, it's warm. We got this at Reynolds. So cute. Oh, what was that? I thought I heard somebody bang something in my house.